Oh, hey, look, there's a door over there.
I'd say hi, everybody, but we're preparing the air conditioning. No, not really.
Well, look, that's better airflow.
We get multiple pieces, and you guys can see that that's just kind of bouncing around.
Yeah. That's better.
There's no movement. We'll do 2 at a time. And we're good. So I'm going to wire wheel up this one because it's salvageable, just so it's not all rusty roddy. And when it goes back in, I'll give it a little bit of grease.
Leave it up.
We've got the pin out. I've got a new pin for the upper, or the lower that is, so it'll be the way it's supposed to be, nice and tight and good. So I'm going to pop out the old ones, which...
There's the old bushings right here. Want to get a little punch and give that.
Oh God, that one's actually...
Little punchy punch. Don't even need a punch. Craptastic screwdriver will work.
Would help if I'd stop shaking. But yeah, you guys get the idea. We'll just tap it out, put the new one in.
Did these already come out down here?
No, they're actually, they do, the upper hinge gets the pieces on the door, the body hinge side. The bottom hinge gets them on the door side.
Show us on the door.
So they're actually kind of different.
Show me on your door.
So if you look down here,
Oh yeah,
they have them there.
looky there. That's neat. All right. So Mr. Scotty's gonna beat those off, and we'll go from
Get
there.
the door back together. But on that note,